Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's do the unboxing and have a first look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G edition that comes with the Snapdragon processor. And quite a few of you have asked me to check this out, so I just got this unit. And guys, as you can see, nothing there on the box except that it says that's the S20 FE 5G variant. That means it comes with the Snapdragon 865 SoC. And if you recall, last year Samsung had introduced this one with the Exynos 990, and many of you actually wanted that the Snapdragon variant comes, that is with the 5G. So finally it came. So I feel it's a good thing that Samsung India is listening to consumers. So in my books, that's a thumbs up. But again, as you can see, nothing here listed on the box, so it's just empty. And I was also very curious, as it says that it is 5G. So I wanted to know what are the 5G bands on this one. And it's nothing is there on the box, nor even on the Samsung website. So I've written to Samsung India, I have emailed them, and I'm waiting for a response. Whenever I get that, hopefully by next week I should get that, I'll add that information about the specific 5G bands, and I'll add it in the description. So again, do note that for 5G, but I'm pretty sure it will have multiple bands of 5G support. And here, as you can see, SIM ejector tool came out for some reason from this box. It should have been here. And a lot of paperwork, no case or anything, guys. Warranty guide, this blah blah. So I'll just keep this to the side, and the SIM ejector tool here. And here is the device itself. They have sent us this lavender color, guys. This is the review unit. And back is again, guys, that polycarbonate plastic back that we are getting. But this does support wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging. And we have a triple camera, and it's not a fake camera, guys. All the three cameras are functional on this one. Actually, the 12 megapixel main one is an OIS. Then we have a second one that's a 3x optical zoom. That is also having OIS. And then third, we have an ultra wide, that's 12 megapixels. Also, all three cameras very functional, no gimmicks. And this one is supposed to have IP68 rating also. So in terms of what you say specs, what you're getting, not a lot of shortcuts that Samsung has done. So we have this charger. I'm also curious to see the wattage on this one, because this smartphone supports 25 watt of charging, but looks like this is a normal charger that is supplied, guys. So they should have given actually a 25 watt charger in the box. That's what we get, and just a USB Type-C cable. That's it in the box, not much, no case or anything. So let me keep this to the side, and let's have a look at the handset itself. And it does not weigh that much, guys. So that's nice, does not feel heavy. Let's see the weight. I'm also curious about it, and let's just weigh it. So 190 grams, I would say. That's not bad. That's not super heavy, not super light. So decent weight. On the top, we have the SIM tray here on the top itself on this one. And guys, this comes in 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. So again, guys, second is hybrid, guys. So you can put 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a hybrid solution that we can do. So that's what it is. And here, secondary noise cancellation microphone. We have the power on off button, so volume rocker, power on off button. Bottom vent for the speaker. This one also has stereo speakers, guys, and USB Type-C port, main microphone, and then this said nothing actually. And we have the Samsung branding here at the back. And regarding the pricing, guys, the MRP price is 56,000, but as of now, Samsung is giving an instant discount of 8,000 on this one. That is a cashback, so it works out to about 48,000. I'll leave the links in the description for more info. So let me do one thing. Let me actually power this on, guys, and I'll set it up, and then we will continue. So guys, I've set up this device, so let's have a closer look at this one. And again, it comes with the Samsung One UI that you are getting. Again, quick toggles over here. For some reason, the NFC was not in the quick toggles, but it was there, so I have put it up. And again, it also has that Samsung Pay and all those things. And I have to say, it does not feel that heavy. We also have this always on option. By default, it's not enabled, but I could enable it in the settings. We have this in-display fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, that works well on this one. You also have the face unlocking, but I did not enable that. This has a 32 megapixel front-facing camera. And guys, here are the specs, and the big highlight is that it comes with the Snapdragon 865, and this is 5G enabled now, that many of you were asking. So, and I also like the the fact that it does not gimp on features. It also has wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging. For example, let's test the wireless charging and as you can see, wireless charging it says fast wireless charging. So that wireless charging is there and it works, and it also claims to have reverse wireless charging. So if you have devices, you can put it on the back and they will charge it. I also like the fact that it's IP68. So in that area, they haven't compromised. Also, now moving to the screen, I'm liking the screen on this one. It's a Super AMOLED screen you have. It's a full HD. But the good thing is that if you notice how smooth it is in scrolling and stuff. For example, I was just browsing and testing it, for example, in the browser, and also everything is very, very smooth. And the reason for that is if you go to the settings and go to the display, here this one also supports 120 hertz refresh rate, and by default it was on that. So again, I played around with for about 20-25 minutes. Very, very smooth in the UI, no lag whatsoever. And in terms of apps that are preloaded, a lot of Samsung related apps are preloaded, guys, as you can see, and here also some Samsung related apps. But apart from that, not a lot of junkware. Netflix and Facebook is also pre-installed. I did not install anything, so this is what you are getting out of the box. Now let's look at the about the device, what we get. And if we go to software information, out of the box it's with Android 11, so that's good. One UI is version 3. I hope 3.1 comes to this one. So this is what we are getting. And again, guys, as I've told you, as this comes with the Snapdragon 865, again for gaming also this will be very good because it has the Adreno 650 GPU, and we know that it's really good for gaming. But overall it's very nice. And finally, we're getting a Snapdragon variant now in India, and this is 5G enabled. I'll add the information about the 5G bands when I have that, guys, I have mentioned. Now let's also look at the camera. I've shown you the in-display fingerprint scanner, yes. Now let's look at the camera, because again, even the original S20 FE with the Exynos 990, the camera was a big highlight, I would say. And now with the Snapdragon 865, it should be even better because of the ISP, that's the image signaling processor. So let's fire up the camera on this one, and yeah, again the layout is exactly the same, no difference, guys. So here we have the wide angle, and it's actually pretty wide. This is the regular, and we also have that zoom, guys, and it's a telephoto 3x. And you can also go up to 30x. I would say don't go to up to 30, but up to 10x you can get actually pretty decent results. So this is very fast, no issues. Front facing is a 32 megapixel, and the thing is that we can even record videos in 4K with the front facing camera. Again, it can go also a little bit wide. So let me do one thing. Let me actually take some sample shots outdoors so that you have a better idea regarding the camera. So these samples were taken in outdoor lighting conditions, and as you can see, outdoors it does actually a pretty good job. Even the color reproduction is very good, and even the dynamic range is good. Moving to human subjects, here also, as you can see, they were produced very well. This was the ultra wide, and this was that portrait mode. One more example, regular shot. This was that ultra wide, no distortion in ultra wide, and this was that portrait mode. Some more samples that I took casually, and as you can see, all of them actually came out very good. And these were some samples taken with the 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now moving to artificial lighting in my office, and as you can see, even in artificial lighting conditions, it's actually doing a good job. Even the ultra wide is doing a good job. And here are some more casual samples that I took in completely artificial lighting in my office. Now moving to human subjects, again this was in artificial lighting. I like the fact that ultra wide does not have any distortion even in artificial lighting, and these were regular shots that came out good. This was a regular shot, and again this was that ultra wide. So guys, that's it for now for the first look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G edition. If you have any other specific questions about this device, do let me know in the comment section below. But guys, what do you feel about this Galaxy S20 5G edition now in India? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. And guys, that's it for now. Take care. Catch you later.